Welcome back, Bears. I'm Mr. Cerna reporting from the BTV studio. Today is Friday, September 17th, and it's Constitution Day. Let's take a quick look at today in history. On September 17, 1787, the Constitution of the United States of America is signed by 38 of 41 delegates present at the conclusion of the Constitutional Convention in Philadelphia. Supporters of the document waged a hard-won battle to win ratification by the necessary 9 out of 13 states, U.S. states. The academic Decathlon team, will hold a meeting Monday, September 20th in room A212 for any students interested in joining. They're looking for students with all A's, all B's, or all C's to join and compete. For more information, see academic coach Ramses Escobedo in room A212. School picture order forms will be sent home with students. Please check the form before the students assigned picture day next week. Freshmen will take pictures on September 20th, sophomores September 21st, and juniors September 22nd. If students happen to be absent on their assigned day, they may take their photos on any of the other 2 days before school, during lunch, or throughout the day with the teacher's permission. For more information, contact Yearbook Advisor Christine Morales at 210-398-1377. The Brennan Ambassadors have a new initiative, a partnership with Hoffman Elementary to collect hygiene products, school supplies, and youth undergarments. They will collect contributions on Saturday, September 26th from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. at the bus loop, making it easy for a drop-off drive. For more information, contact sponsor Felipe Lopez. Our Bears football team scored a win against the Harlan Hawks 44-10 last Saturday. And Ashton Dubose was selected as John Wayne Player of the Year of the week. Sorry about that. Congrats, Ashton. Let's take a look at some highlights of Ashton and the Bears. Did you attend today's military-themed pep rally in the main gym to cheer on our Bears?
Wearing the U.S. flag and commanding the color guard is Cadet Colonel Helena Saudia.
Tomorrow, get on and cheer our Bears at 7 p.m. at Gus Stadium as they take on the Warren Warriors, BFND Bears. Last Saturday, our running Bears ran at the Northeast Cross Country Meet. Tomorrow, they compete in the Judson Cross Country Meet. Go Running Bears. Our Lady Bears volleyball team will go up against the J Lady Mustangs today at the Northside Sports Gym at 5:30 p.m. BFND ladies. And finally, make plans to attend our 2021 Brennan Open House Parent Night next Wednesday, September 22nd from 6:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. Your parents can meet your teachers, the counselors, and administrators. For more information, contact Academic Dean Michelle Craig at 210-398-1269. Well, this is all I have for today. And don't forget to follow us on Twitter at BTV Bears. And if you missed any part of this broadcast, catch us on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears. If you have any announcements for BTV, please email me, Mr. Serna, at fernando.serna@nisd.net. I'm Mr. Serna, sign off from BTV. Have a great day, Bears. And remember, keep a positive mindset and stay engaged in your learning. Have a great weekend.
This is a BTV production.